Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Not in today's newspaper or yesterday's newspaper of Saturday or Sunday, October the 15th or 16th. No, it's the edition of Tuesday, October the 11th, 2022, because in the yesterday's newspaper we don't have uh, an additional with extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Tuesday. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it cijferblok. And let me start with the second puzzle, the Sudoku with 2 stars. This will be number 5337. 5337. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me start with 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. All right. Okay, cannot continue with the 8 now. I need to wait. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. Alright, cannot continue with the 4 now. 6. 6, yeah. I'm thinking. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. And now. Let me see. So 1, 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. And look, we have a 1 in this column. Third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1. I'm thinking. But don't think too long. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row. So no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this column. No 6 in that box. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Should be here. 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the middle row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait again. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 3, 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is a number 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, okay. We have a pair. 3 and a 7 in this row. 3 and a 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. Oh, look. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I can continue with the 8 now. Okay. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. There 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this row could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 5. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. In this column, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, 2, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the second column, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. And look, we have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. And then 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, is this really a 2 stars? No, I'm faster than 50 minutes. So let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic, aka cyber block in Dutch, aka Sugu in Japanese. Yeah, with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.